Hi, I'm Edward Bullock, the creator of Stride software. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to build a second course using the same setup for the previous course. And this class is going to be run or created as a two-phase course. So we start by clicking the orange button, click save just to save the previous course's setup, and now here we go to the new course wizard. You'll notice we start with the edit arena details. So this is just going to explain what setup you want. And on this occasion we're going to use the course for the previous class. You can select a template that you might have used in a previous class, and we want to create a completely new course, so we're going to click clear numbers. Do not click select arena unless you want to start a course from scratch, which you may do for the second day's courses. So we're going to click class 2. This class is going to be run as a two-phase, so we'll specify that it is a two-phase. Might just put a little hyphen there. This class will be 1 meter 20 high, and in New Zealand we specify most jump-off courses as a TA5. Right, there's no chance to pen draw because this jump setup's already there. So now we've created and clicked finish. The new course shows up with all the numbers removed a few seconds later. Here we use the turnaround button to turn the jumps around, and this 1, 2, 3 button to give them the next number for each jump. So we can just move around the course. And just assign numbers to any jump, or to each jump of the course. So we can use that as I demonstrated. You can notice there's a little issue here with this track here. It doesn't follow, so what's obviously happened is we've not turned it around properly, so now that it looks a lot tidier. Right, we're going to just finish the first round, 8 fences, which is a common number for a first phase. So I'm just going to add the flags to the course. Always make sure the flag is highlighted before you start dragging it, or else it's not going to move. You can finish the first round from here. I sometimes do that. Specify the speed of the first round. Here it's 350. The other thing that's important is to specify the last jump of the first round, which will be 8. So we select number 9. You'll see how the jump stays at 8. Now when selecting a second number for a jump, we have to specify a second or reverse number. So here it's a second number, another second number, so make sure you specify which one you want. And finish the second phase at 12. Click OK. Again, click save on a regular basis. And now we can create the second round. I like to name it two-phase and then go through each fence. You can add a comment if you want, should you wish to create a comment for the jump off. Right, just a little comment, just especially if it's for less experienced riders that are not sure what a two-phase is. And then we can measure it. You'll be prompted to choose which jump speed. Here might go 375 for interest. Now you can edit the speed, the actual tracks, in very much the same way as I demonstrated in the previous round by clicking View, Show Tracks, and you can see how we can just shorten it a little. By dragging those blue buttons closer or further away depending on how you want to go. Always click save and then again measure the course. So we're going to show the second round track here. Because we're doing a little bit of a turn back onto the jump, I'll just give them a bit of room one way and probably tighten it a touch the other. Maybe I've gone a bit too tight. Different course designers have different opinions on how they should measure jump off. Some like to measure very tight. And there we have our two-phase class. So you can print the course exactly the same way as demonstrated. Otherwise you can just click on this button to get a quick print and then select your printer. So there we have the next tutorial I'm going to demonstrate is editing the shape of your arena to allow you to build non-rectangular arenas.